Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please welcome, and I would like you to join this family by clicking on the bell notification and the subscribe button there and join this family. Please guys. Yes, I teach Igbo language because I'm an Igbo girl and because Igbo amaka. Okay, have you seen a fine Igbo girl today? Have you seen a fine Igbo girl today? This is her. Okay, we are so beautiful. So guys, in today's video, the Igbo word we're learning today is eze, tit, eze, tit, eze, tit, eze, tit, eze, tit. Eze means tit. Learn how to say it by repeating after me, okay? Learn how to say it by repeating after me. Eze, tit, eze, tit. Yes, repeat it. Repeat, synchronize with me, because if it's TikTok video now where you do ba king, you will repeat everything from beginning to end. You will not even miss word. Even the ones that used to repeat words, Cardi B's words, you don't miss anything. So now we are learning Igbo language, Abi. Repeat after me so that it will synchronize the same way you synchronize it with TikTok videos. Eze, tit, eze, tit. And now we're going to use sentences with this eze in Igbo language. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo means her teeth is long. Her teeth is long. Eze ya toro ogologo. Her teeth is long. Watch my lips, guys. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze ya toro ogologo means her teeth is long. Her teeth is long, or his teeth is long, depending on the gender you are referring to. Eze ya toro ogologo. Eze Ngozi mara mma. 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 Ngozi's teeth is beautiful. When you say Eze Ngozi mara mma nke ukwu, Eze Ngozi mara mma nke ukwu means basically Ngozi's teeth is very beautiful, extremely beautiful. Maybe Ngozi has a gap tooth. Eze oyere. Eze oyere. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma basically means her teeth or his teeth is not beautiful. Her teeth or his teeth is not beautiful. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Eze ya amaghị mma. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Ọ na-asa eze ya. He's washing his teeth. He's washing his teeth, or she's washing her teeth. Brushing, washing, whichever one. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Ọ na-asa eze ya. Eji m eze m ata anụ. 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 I am using my teeth to eat meat. I am using my teeth to eat meat. Eze ya nwere oyere n'etiti. Eze ya nwere oyere n'etiti. Gap tooth. Ohere. Eze ya nwere ohere n'etiti. Eze ya nwere ohere n'etiti. Eze ya nwere ohere n'etiti means he has an open teeth, he has a gap tooth, or she has a gap tooth. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Eze ya adịghị ọcha means basically her teeth or his teeth is not clean. The teeth is dirty. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Eze ya adịghị ọcha. Her teeth or his teeth is not clean. And the next one here is eze ya na-esi isi. 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 His teeth is smelling or her teeth is smelling. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the Igbo word for today, and I hope this Igbo word today is not gonna overwhelm you. I made it I just chose a word today and we spoke about it, and this is how I'll be bringing out Igbo word every day, and we'll be making sentences with them. I think that will also help you instead of making this video jam-packed. So please save this video in your watch later. Visit it consistently. Visit it consistently. The reason of me saying save my videos in your watch letter is because it's easier for you to go back. Instead of you going to type my name, once you just go to your YouTube channel, you go to watch letter and you see the videos there, and you just pick them and watch. Thank you guys for watching this video. If I've watched to this point, I've not subscribed to this channel, I don't just know. I don't know if you're enemy of progress. And I know you're not. Please click on the bell notification, click on the subscribe button, and please join this family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.